Have you heard of Reflect Orbital? In a nutshell, it's a startup company that wants to sell daylight. Reflect Orbital plans to launch several satellites into orbit that have mirrors on them so that they can shine daylight down on spots on the Earth that are currently in nighttime. In a time of climate change and rising global temperatures, Reflect Orbital wants to shine even more light and radiation down on the Earth. Why only do 50% of the Earth at a time when we can bake the whole damn thing? We have the technology. They claim it's precise. If you think a 3 square mile spotlight is precise. They also claim it's dimmable from moonlight to noonlight, but I believe we have the moon to have moonlight at night, and it's the noonlight at midnight that concerns me. But let's hear them out on their proposed use cases. Number 1, solar farming. Now that sounds good on the surface, but are solar panels we make made to withstand 24/7 sunlight? I know the grounds they're built on is definitely not. Number 2, response. Can't really refute something I can't read, but I think I see the words emissions there. Like the emissions they let off by the rockets used to send these into space, or by sending people into space to maintain these, although most likely they will just let the old ones that are broken be up there and launch new ones because it's cheaper to send more space junk up than to have maintenance astronauts. Number 3, industrial. Rejoice, capitalists, you can force your labor to work all through the night in any conditions. 4, agriculture. The way corporations are trademarking and monopolizing the very food we eat while forcing farmers out of the industry altogether doesn't surprise me here. It also doesn't surprise me that they haven't considered, or more likely care about, the ecological impacts of this. Number 5, civilization. There's a reason they chose a snowy scene for this, because it's kind of the opposite of what you would get with 24 hours of light and heat. Would you want to live in a city like that? Never mind the psychological effects of endless daytime. 6, defense. War. Of course it's for war. And even though it says it's safe and cannot be concentrated past maximum natural light irradiance. Is that a cannot as in physically impossible, or a cannot as in there are safety measures in place? Safety measures that could A, fail and be catastrophic in any of these proposed scenarios, and safety measures that could B, be overridden in case a military force wanted to enact an actual solar death ray and cook an entire city. Look out, Gaza. Number 7, experience. Unforgettable nighttime experience. But if you're shining a spotlight down that extends more than a mile in every direction, is that really a nighttime scenario anymore? This is some mad scientist supervillain shit. Like, just because we can do it doesn't mean we should. Let night be night and day be day. There's enough space junk orbiting our planet, and there's enough capitalist greed destroying everyone's planet to make themselves richer.